We're an artisan-made marketplace. We really try to capture the essence of the local area and bring it to the storefront. We've got thousands of talented tradesmen and artisans, crafters, makers in the area. And we'll be adding fudge, meats, coffee, and baked goods soon. It was incredibly difficult. Taught myself all sorts of new skills, as any good entrepreneur does. October, we decided that we were probably going to close our doors at the end of December, but I was able to secure some partners to stay in business, and with that we have gone full force after December, making the modifications and changes that we feel that we need to not only survive a COVID world, but to thrive in one.
I started here at the beginning of Armade in Michigan. I just got really close to the family over the 2 years and just stuck around the whole time. And so then Justin asked me to be a partner because we had gotten close and we seemed to work well together, you know, and have a lot of the same ideas. So I love the collaboration of not just being an artisan, but being bigger business owner. And I love the type of business it is, and so just being involved with it is like kind of a dream come true.
Amazing amount of support, and I can't thank them enough for that, and that's why I continue to do what we do, because if it weren't for those people that come out and have shown that, it would have been very hard to power through and get to the point where we're now on the upswing and bringing in new stuff and really going in a positive direction. We've also reached out to other local businesses like Westview Orchards, and we do a Labor Day craft show with them every year, and that's a huge part of the business. It's a huge recruiting event for vendors, and really allows our vendors a chance to outlet not only in the store but in outside. Life Skills Center up in K-Pac, they do a lot of stuff with special needs individuals. We donate a spot to them. They come in, it's really awesome. Before COVID and everything, they would come in, they'd single file and all walk by their space and kind of check it out, and when they see something sell, you see they get all excited and stuff. It was really cool to see that. There's definitely big plans in the future, and that revolves around being a hub for local business and really trying to branch out and make strategic partnerships.
And for the future, I see this being, you know, like the cornerstone of the beginning of Armada being a little destination town.
Yeah, there's been a lot more collaboration between the businesses than usual. You know, we just started doing our Chamber of Commerce meetings. I think that the turmoil of this past year will be something to rally around. It all kind of revolves around here, because if Armada does good, then we'll do good.
Shopping local gives that opportunity to get something unique. It's something that shouldn't die off, that really needs to be a part of the fabric of this country.
So, I mean, I can't emphasize enough how much to support the people that come in with a smile. They don't complain. The ones that come in and that are patient and understand, like, that is more help than you know. I would like to thank the partners that have come in to make this possible to continue, and then I would also like to thank my dad for setting this all up. And he was the artist behind the decor and the style of the business, and without him, I know we wouldn't be here. So